Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this corner turning octahedron cube. Uh, it is basically 4 by 4. So these are centers, these are edges, these are corners, and today I am going to show you how to solve this cube without any parity. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is we should have four different center colors. So here we have three different colors. We need to bring one more different color. So maybe we can use this. So we have now red, green, purple and gray. So now our first step is what we'll do is we'll solve this cube side by side. So first we'll solve this side, then this side, and then this and this. So first we'll solve bottom four sides and then we'll solve top sides. So first we'll start with let us say with green. So we need to find one green edge over here and one green edge for this. So we have one green edge here and one green edge here. So what we'll do is we'll simply bring this edge up and this edge on top of it and bring it back. So our green side is done. This edge is done. Now we have to fix this edge. So it is here. So what we'll do is we'll take it on upside, and what we'll do is this side, this time we will have to bring this side up. So what we'll do is we have to bring this green edge on right hand side, this side. So what we'll do is now we'll take it up like this and bring it here and down. So now it is done. Now we have to fix this center, sorry, this corner. So we'll take it up like this and we'll have to bring this green piece over here. So simply bring it here, and now what we'll do is it is simple corner fixing algorithm. So it is R U R prime. So this is fixed. Now next step is to fix this edge. So we have that this edge is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring it on this side, and now what we'll do is either we'll get it from on this side or this side. So we'll see. So it is on right hand side. So it is simple algorithm to fix the edge. So this is right to left. So what we'll do is we'll do the same algorithm, that is U L prime U prime L U R U R prime. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix these two corners. So one corner is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring only this corner. So this corner we have to fix it over here. So again we'll use the same 4 by 4 algorithm to fix this edge. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down, only middle layer down, then turn it right, again down, middle layer only, turn it left, up, middle layer only, right, up, middle layer only, left. So now you can see this corner is fixed. Now we have to fix this corner. Sorry, this center is fixed. Now we have to fix this center. So it is here. So what we'll do is we'll have to bring on top like this and take it out of the way and bring it down. So this corner is on top now. Sorry, this center is on top. So this center we need to fix here. So it is again the same algorithm. So this will come here, this red will come here, and this purple will come here. So down, left, right, down, turn, up, up, and back. So now you can see our first side is done. Now we have to fix this second side, purple side. Okay, so first step is to bring this edge. We need to fix this edge and then this edge. So we have one edge that is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring it up, take this on that and bring it down. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix this. So take it out of the way. This is up, bring here and down. So this is also done. Now we have to fix the corner. So this corner will come here. It is simple, r u r prime u pi, r u r prime and u prime. So this is also fixed. Now we have to fix corner centers. So what we'll do is we'll have to take this center out of the way because this place is unsolved. If we'll take this center on top and we'll rotate it, then this will get disturbed. So what we'll do is we'll take this out of the way like this, because this two sides are not yet solved. So we'll take it up from here and bring it on the other side and take it back. So now you can see one center is done, but before that we need to fix this edge. So this edge is here, so it is right to left. So again u prime, l prime, u prime, l, u, r, u, r prime. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix this center over here. So again down, only middle layer, right, again down, left, up, right, up and back. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix this center. So we'll take it out of the way because this center is not solved. So we'll bring it on top, take it out of the way and bring this down. Okay, so now we have purple center on top. So this center will come here. So again we'll use the same algorithm. This will come here, this orange will come here and this will come here. So down, again down, right, up, left, up and right. so this is also fixed. So now we are having two sides which are solved. Now we have to fix the uh, third side. So this is gray. Now we have to fix these two edges. We have one edge over here and one edge over here, so simple, we can fix this edge. So bring this on top and down, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix this edge, it is here, so we'll take it this side, and we have to fix over here. So up, down and back, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix the corner, so this corner we need to fix here. So R U R prime, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix this edge, so this edge is here. So what we'll do is we can do one thing, we'll have to bring this here, so this edge will come here. So now we have to use the another algorithm, that is U R U R prime U prime L prime U prime L. It is nothing but 3 by 3 edge fixing algorithm. So now we have to fix this center over here, so it is again down, middle layer only, right, down, left, up, right, up, left, so this is fixed. Okay, now we have to fix the this center, so take it up on top, bring it out of the way and down, so this center is on top. Okay, now we have to fix this center over here, so down, left, down, right, up, left, up, right. So this is also done. So now we are through with 1 2 3 sides. Now we are left with the last side of bottom. So this is red, we have to fix these two edges. So we have one edge over here, so we'll take it out of the way, up, down, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix the another edge. Okay, so we have this two corners and one. Okay, so this is very tricky. What we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this up. This is red, right? So what we can do is we can do it from here, or what we can do is we can, okay, we'll take it, this is the situation, one edge is here and one edge is here, so and one edge is already fixed. So what we'll do is we'll turn it up, take it out of the way and turn it down, so this is not disturbed, this is fixed, and we have one edge over here, so that will take it on right hand side, and again we'll do the same algorithm. So up, bring it on top and down, so this is fixed. Now we have the corner which we need to fix, that is R U R prime. Okay, so now we have this edge, we need to fix it over here, so left to right, so U R U R prime u prime, l prime, u prime, l. So this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this red, two red centers. Okay, so now we have a situation whereby these two centers are here, which we need to bring them on top. So we'll have to disturb the edges. So what we'll do is we'll take this up, take them out of the way and down. Again we'll bring this edge from here on top. Keep this on the other side and we'll bring this also on top and move it out of the way and down. So now you can see we have two edges which are again solved, but we need to fix this edge, so we can fix it easily. So what we'll do is we'll take it out of the way, up, down and back. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to again fix the center. So this is also done. Now we have to fix this edge. So u r prime, u prime, l prime, u prime, l. So now you can see our both the centers are on top, so we can easily fix it. So this center will come here, so down only middle layer, right, again down, left, up, right, up and left. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix the last center. This red center will fix here. So down, left, down, right, up, left, up, right. So now you can see we have all four sides of bottom are solved. So now we have to fix the top sides. So this is similar as if we have solved two layers of 4x4, and now we have to solve the rest two layers. So what we'll do is now we have to use one algorithm only, and that will solve all sides. So first what we'll do is we have to use only one algorithm. I'll just show you. So the first step is, let's say, I'll just show you. Okay, so okay, so we'll start with orange. So orange, we have one edge over here and one corner over here, so we have to fix the rest of the pieces. Okay, so for that what we'll do is we'll bring, this is our rest of the pieces which we need to fix, and we need to fix two more center pieces, which are one is here and one is here. So what we'll do is first we'll fix this edges. This will come here on top, and then we'll take it out of the way. I'll just show you how we can fix it. So it is, this is the situation. So it is r prime, d prime yeah, RI DI RD. So this is the only algorithm which we have to use it now. So RI DI RD. Okay, so now we have this edge and corner on, it was this side, now it has moved to this side. So what we can do is we can now take it to any side. So now we have this three, one corner, one center, one edge and one center. So what we'll do is we'll move this three pieces in this side, bottom side. So we'll again do the same algorithm, RI DI RD RI DI RD. So this is moved. Now we have to bring this center, this corner and edge over here. So what we'll do is now we have one center and two edges and one corner. So what we'll do is we'll do RIDIRD and we'll take it on top. So this this entire thing will come here and then we can move it. So I'll just show you, this entire triangle will come on top like this. So it is again RIDIRD. So it is moved. Okay, now we can take this anyway and this will not get disturbed. Okay, so now we have to fix the other three pieces. So we have two pieces over here and one center over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this center on uh, uh, okay, we'll bring this to center on this side. So once we do this algorithm, it will move here and then it will move here, and then once it gets I mean these two pieces will come here, we'll move it here, so we'll have a pair and then we'll bring it down. So I'll just show you. So it is RIDIRD RIDIRD. So it moved here. Now again we'll do the same thing and it will move here. So RIDIRD RIDIRD. So it moved here. So now we can bring this on top of it, and now we have a situation that if we'll do this algorithm again, so this three, I mean this line will come here and then it will come here. So this will first, it will come here and then it will come here. So then we can bring this orange top on it. So RIDIRD RIDIRD. So now we can see it is moved here. Now again we'll do the same thing and it will come here. So RIDIRD. So now we can see it has come here. So we can simply bring this on top. So this side is done. So we have one more side which is fixed. Now we have to fix the another side. So we have, okay, so now we have yellow side. So we'll start with yellow only. So RIDIRD RIDIRD. Okay, so we have this okay, so now we have this corner over here. What we can do is we can bring this corner over here and then we can fix with it and then we can bring it over here. So I'll just show you. So RIDIRD DI R D RI DI R D. So now what we can do is we can simply bring this thing on top of it like this. So now we can see our this triangle is already done. So we have to simply bring it on top. So again we'll don't worry about this orange, we can again bring it back. So RI DI R D RI DI R D. So now you can see our orange top is fixed. Now we have to bring two pieces over here to fix it. That those two pieces are here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this pieces on top so that we can move it. So we'll do the same algorithm. So it will come, it will move these two pieces here and then here. So again RI DI R D RI DI R D. Again we'll have to do the same thing, so it will come here RI DI R D RI DI R D. So now we can see these two pieces are on top and we can bring it over here. And before that what we'll have to do is, because if we'll bring this yellow, okay, what we'll do is now we can bring this 3 pair and we can bring it down so that we can fix it. So again RI DI R D RI DI R D. Again we'll have to do the same thing, so it will come here RI DI R D RI DI R D. So now we can see it has come here. So now we are left with two sides. Now we can see we have fixed two sides of top and now we are left with these two sides only. Okay, so now next step is okay, now next step is what we'll do is we'll bring this side and in this place. So RI DI R D, again RI DI R D. So this is this has come down and now we have to fix this side also. So RI DI R D RI DI R D. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll bring this line also on bottom side. So RI DI R D RI DI R D. Okay, so now we can see if we'll bring back, we have two triangles. So one triangle is here and one triangle is here. So we can bring them on top. So RI DI R D RI DI R D. Okay, so Now what we'll have to do is we have to bring this side, because this is already, you have to bring this side on top here, and this will come here, and then we'll have to bring it here. I'll just show you. So again Ri Di R D, again Ri Di R D. So now we can see we have a situation where we have this triangle, we have two white pieces over here and two blue pieces over here. So what we can do is we have to fix this two over here. So for that we need to first bring these two pieces on top, and this will come down, because this two piece will come here and then it will come here. So I'll just show you. Down RIDI RD RIDI RD. Okay, so this is the situation. Now what we have to do is we have to bring this piece over here, so that then we can fix it. I'll just show you. RIDI RD RIDI RD. And what we'll do is we'll again bring this white piece over here. So RIDI RD RIDI RD. Okay, so now we have this piece, white piece over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this two white pieces first here and then here, so that we can fix it with this. So I'll just show you. So RIDI RD RIDI RD. So it has come here. Now again we'll do the same thing and it will come here. So RIDI RD RIDI RD. So now we can see we have these two pieces which we can easily bring here, and now we can solve our cube. So this will come here, RIDI RD RIDI RD. So now we can see our cube is solved. I'll just show you one more case wherein you will find the bottom line, I mean bottom three pieces of white here and blue on this side. So this is one situation I am talking about, wherein entire cube is solved except these two, because if we try to bring this on top, this will get disturbed. So we need to swap this two. So this should come here and this should come here. So we have a simple algorithm for this. So bring this gray triangle on top of it, and then again take it out of the way. So it was here. So first we'll bring this gray triangle and we'll match it, and again we'll take it back like this, and now we have to hold it like this and we have to do this algorithm. That is, this is our R, so 2R, and this is our U, so U, again 2R, UI, 2R. Turn the puzzle like this, and again 2R, UR, 2R, U, 2R, and now one turn will do the magic. So now we can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can let me know. Thank you very much.